Hey,
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 hey.
hey. We might be a little bit delayed here. We're on hotel Wi-Fi. Look at my view here at the hotel, just to
Oh,
make you jealous.
tropical. Is that the sea in the background?
It is a sea in the background. So we've been
Oh,
swimming. That's the Indian Ocean. We're not in the Pacific Ocean at the moment. So we're in Western Australia. And you guys can see an epic video coming up for Travala in probably in the next week or so. And what have we been doing today, Josh?
just we've been swimming with humpback whales, which is probably best we don't start talking about it because I could go on for hours how incredible it is. It's definitely one on the crypto goals list for anyone who hasn't done it. Yeah, just incredible.
It is. So, every day in the crypto market, obviously we're swimming with whales, all the early investors that got in and all the,
Nah.
big guys, that have lots of crypto. So for those that are new, they're called whales. So, and we swam
So
with the
this
real
is
ones.
research,
It
basically. We should be
is.
doing
It
this every day to
is.
see what their behavior is, what activity in the market's happening.
It's
Um,
so
yeah.
surreal though. Just you're on the back of a boat, and literally there's a plane flying around, and they've got the spotter plane, and he's like, right, jump in, and you're in the middle of the ocean. And
Mhm.
this is not like shallow water where you can touch the bottom. It's like probably 100 meters down to the ground below you. And yeah, just dump in, and then these whales just swim by.
Oh, incredible. Incredible. So we're
Yeah.
broadcasting to the world right now, YouTube, Twitter, and of course our lovely GSIC. Same as always, we're going to be doing a little update for the world and then we're cutting it off. So just the GSIC members. If you want, you can get your questions in or chart requests in already. Jump into the chat, let us know. Otherwise, we are going to rock and roll and see how
We are.
sideways Bitcoin is looking.
Extremely. It's like
Oh,
another day of sideways. So we didn't miss anything by swimming with whales, literally. So let's jump into that. This is the monthly chart. So we've had the weekly close today. So, but something on the monthly chart that I want to have a look at here is the EMAs. This is the 9 and 21 EMA. So they had a bearish cross around this point where we had quite a big drop. So the monthly looks like it's going to have a bullish cross very soon. This has flipped green for the second month in a row. This is the histogram on the MACD. It is looking amazing. So when we drop this back to the weekly close, if we can find that 1 week, nothing really exciting happening here, except, we're coming back down. We're retesting these EMAs. The MA, so this is a 200 MA sitting at about 27K. Looks likely that could be a spot that we're going to see a bounce and then head up. So weekly is still looking quite red. We've got a little bit more sell volume, which is eased off this week. So it's not looking too bad. So when we go down to the 3-day, this is a chart that's super interesting at the moment because it has had a cross and it was looking very nice. So we want this region to be holding and, to be heading upwards very soon. So when we go down to the daily, we can see that we have been sitting on the 100 MA and, that's it's sort of saying that, okay, this is just buying selling for a consolidation area for whales and for like DCA investors, because this part of the market is essentially where you build your bags to go into the bull market. So and that's what we've been doing here at GSIC. We do have the portfolio calculator where you can go in there, create your own portfolio, and then break that down, DCA into that. And then hopefully when the bull market comes, all those coins take off and we make lots of money. So that's essentially what you should be doing in this region. You should be breaking up your portfolio into the, right sort of like amounts, like for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for your alts, non-trading bags. They're just DCA'd. Trading bags, little bits of those. So only about 20% of that is actively traded of your whole crypto portfolio. So you're not sort of going in and wiping it out in a margin trade. Just one margin trade could wipe your whole balance out if you're in cross. Did you know that? So yeah, there's small little tips and tricks that we sort of teach you that you want to be an isolated, so you're not blowing out that if you are margin trading. So yeah, that's kind of what is happening for BTC right now. When we go to the quantitative chart, we're still sitting right in the middle of this resistance and this support. So yeah, it's sideways forever at the moment. So we have been going sideways literally since March.
Although it's starting to see that green just starting to trickle in, I must admit, it feels good to be in the game kind of at this stage. I know the last bull market, I missed this kind of run up and got in just before it really got going, but still missed this very crucial stage. So anyone listening now, I don't know, it feels like a good place to be, a good time to be, like you say, DCAing, looking at your options and getting prepped for the hopefully green months ahead.
Yeah, so I think once this is a strong consolidation period. So if we go back to the previous bull market cycle, we saw this similar period at 8 to 10K. We also saw it again at between 28 to 30K. So, they can go for a couple of months. This has gone for quite some period, but that's mainly due to it being a bear market at this point in time. So once we flip the switch and we become a bull market, we do still get consolidation periods. That sort of does grow out to be, they're quicker. They're sort of, maybe a month to 6 weeks, whereas in a bear market, they can extend up to about 5 to 6 months. So, and it does get frustrating for a lot of people. You see a lot of people exit the market when they should be building their bull bags. That doesn't sound very good.
That we might have to cut out and put on Twitter. That's hilarious.
Yeah, building your bull bags.
Yeah, okay, that caught me off guard a little bit.
As I said it, I'm like, okay.
Anyone, right? Anything else you want to share with the world, or is this a good time to?
No, that's a good time. But yeah, come up. This is we're in Ningaloo. It's amazing. For anyone, they have different times of the years, whale sharks, they have turtles. You can watch the turtles hatch and go down on the beach. They've got a coral reef here, and yeah, it's just beautiful.
Okay then, well, I will let YouTube and Twitter take a look at that lovely view whilst we say goodbye to them.